Hi everyone. So now we'll see the new question in the storages. Persistent volumes. Create persistent volume. PV data capacity 5 GI. Access mode read write once. Host path /mnt /data. Storage class manual. Reclaim policy retain. I don't have imperative command for PV. So I'll just search for an example. Here I got an example. I will create a file and paste it here. According to the question, the name should be PV data. And capacity 5 GI. Access modes read write once. Okay. Host path /mnt/data. Okay. Reclaim policy and storage class are also matching. Okay, I don't have reclaim policy. Let me just save this file. I will do explain. Sorry. So this is what I want. Now I'll edit the file, and at the end of the file I'll just add this section and it should be written. Right. So this is fine because default is written. So if you don't even mention persistent volume reclaim policy as written, default is written, so that will be fine. Now I'll apply this. It is created. Let me get this uh, persistent volume. The name which we have given is PV data. So I'll just do get PV, and yes, I got PV data. Persistent volume status is available. Remember, it will be available if it is not bounded to any PVC. Access mode, C capacity, and everything is matching. So the demonstrate solution for our question number 119. Thank you so much. Have a good day.